Hello, good morning. Good day sa inyo mga bata. Eto na naman ako, si Teacher Lay, para magturo sa inyo ng isang skill sa mathematics subject, lalo na sa grade 4. Ang ating lesson sa araw na ito ay ang pag-change ng fractions to lowest terms. How are we going to change fractions to lowest terms? But before that, we are going to know first how to find the GCF of two numbers. What is GCF? GCF is the greatest common factor. How do we solve for the GCF of two numbers? Example, what is the GCF of 8 and 12? To get the GCF, we have to list down the factors of 8 and 12. What are the factors of 8? Diba? 1 times 8 equals 8. 2 times 4 equals 8. And then, arrange that from least to greatest. So the factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4, and 8. The factors of 12. 1 times 12 equals 12. 2 times 6 equals 12. And 3 times 4 equals 12. And then, arrange that from least to greatest. So the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. In the factors of 8 and 12, pareha sila may 1, may 2, at 4. Pero ang pinakamalaki sa kanila na factor ay ang 4. So ang 4 ang GCF or ang greatest common factor. Basahin natin ang problem na ito. When Aling Marta came home from Tacloban City, she brought her kids a box of pizza pie. Her daughter Anna shared the pizza pie with her siblings. They ate 6/8 of the pizza pie. What is the lowest term of 6/8? So the siblings in the problem ate 6/8 of the pizza pie. How do we reduce 6/8 to lowest terms? To further understand how 6/8 looks like, let us make an illustration. Okay, look at the illustration. Into how many parts was the pie divided? The pie divided into 8 parts. As you can see, if you count how many parts was the illustration, it was divided into 8 parts. So, ang bawat part ay 1/8. Ito. How many 8s were eaten by the siblings? The siblings ate 6/8 of the pie. So, ang naka-shade dyan, yan ay 6/8. So, ang kanyang fractional part ay 6/8. Ito, tingnan naman natin. Into how many slices was the second pie divided? The second pie was only divided into 4 parts. So, each part is 1/4. How many 1/4 was shaded in the second pie? The shaded part in the second pie is 3/4. Dahil 3 lang ang naka-shade, kaya ang kanyang fractional part ay 3/4. Kung tingnan natin ang dalawang illustration, ang una ay 6/8, pangalawa ay 3/4. Are the parts eaten in the first pie equal to the shaded parts in the second pie? Mag-equal ba sila? Yes. Paano? Tingnan natin. Parehas ba ang kanilang laki? Tama. So, ang 6/8 ay equal sa 3/4. This also means that 3/4 is the lowest term of 6/8. Paano nangyari? How do we get the lowest term of a fraction? To get the lowest term of a fraction 6/8, we must do the following steps. Step 1. Get the greatest common factor of the numerator and the denominator. How do we get the GCF of 6 and 8? Kagaya ng sabi ko kanina, list down the factors of 6 and 8. The factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, and 6. The factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4, and 8. So, ang kanilang GCF ay 2. Step 2. Divide the numerator and the denominator by its GCF. Diba ang GCF natin ay 2. Ang fraction natin na i-reduce ay 6/8. I-divide natin ang ating GCF sa numerator. I-divide sa denominator. So, 6 divided by 2 is 3. 8 divided by 2 is 4. So, ang lowest term ng 6/8 ay 3/4. Therefore, the lowest term of 6/8 is 3/4. Okay, ulitin ko ha. To reduce fractions to lowest terms, step 1, get the GCF of the numerator and the denominator. Step 2, divide the numerator and the denominator by its GCF. Okay. Try natin i-solve ito. Find the lowest term of 6, 9. Okay, ang una, ililista ang factors. The factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, and 6. The factors of 9 are 1, 3, and 9. Ang kanilang GCF ay 3. Tapos, i-divide na natin sa numerator at denominator. Ang sagot ay 2/3. Very good. Ito. Lowest term ng 8, 12. List down the factors. So, yan ang factors nila. Tapos, identify the GCF. The GCF is 4. I-divide natin sa numerator at denominator. Ang lowest term ay 2/3. Tama? Okay. Ito, sagutan natin ha. You can pause this video while answering. Pagkatapos, i-check nyo na kung tama ang sagot nyo ha. Tapos na ba mga bata? So, ito, sagutan natin. Tamang sagot ng number 1 ay 1/3. Number 2, 1/5. Number 3, 2/5. Number 4, 2/5. And number 5 ay 1/2. Sana nakakuha kayo ng perfect score. Bye-bye! See you on my next video.